Okay guys, I'm here with the 2012 Lincoln MKT. Not a lot of support on YouTube for anything working on these. I have one headlight that I've already refurbished. Really nice, came out very well. I'll show you what I used in a minute. But we got to work on this one. And there's not a lot of good videos out there on how to change the headlight, the marker lights, blinkers, things like that. So I'm going to show you just how to remove the whole housing, and we're going to take it out to work on it, and I'll show you how it's all done. Now, if you see right here, come on in. If you see right here, there's the access to getting to the headlight. It's back in here, and I can't reach that. So in order to change headlight turn signal, you've really got to get in there. So I'm going to take it out instead. Okay? All right, here we go. All right, so what we have, we've got to take this bumper off. And to do that, you've got to take these clips out. There are 4 of them. They have the Phillips insert, but then you got to use a pry tool to pop it up out of there. And then you've got a 10mm here and a 10mm here. And then we're going to move over to the side, the wheel wells, to get the bumper off, and you've got 5.5mm bolts on each side, and then you can drop the bumper down. Here we go. All right, JD is pulling those out.
Yeah. Should probably get it all the way out first.
Okay, now pop those out of there.
What does this thing do again?
Well, if you can't do it that way, you can do it the other way. Okay.
I don't know what that is. Power ratchet. Best tool I ever bought. Set that
All right, now we're going to get those 3 bolts out of the bottom of the bumper cover there.
a smoother driveway. Oi. Helps if you get it on there first.
Yeah, that's usually how it works.
Quite usually.
All right, now we'll do the other side and drop the bumper down. So we got to get this bumper out and away. A lot of guys will, in addition to these pieces of hardware, they'll take off the hardware on the bottom and just pull the whole thing off. All I'm going to do is lean it forward. I've got a couple of boxes for it to sit on. It'll get it out of the way enough. But here's what you need to do first. Come on over here. You've got to get in behind the apron here, grab here, and pull out. Pull out, get it away from the body panel. Do that on both sides. Once you've got those clips out, then you just got to get it up over the latch here and drop it down and away. Now you've got access here. What you're going to have is a 10mm here, a 10mm here, and a 10mm down in here, and then the light will pop completely free. Okay, so once you've got that drop down, you can pull the headlight straight out, and you've got this clip right here. All you got to do is push that down, and wiggle this clip out, and then the whole headlight will be free. All right. All right, so here's the stuff I used, and it's relatively rudimentary. It's got a couple of pieces of sandpaper and some compound, and then some UV block, but it worked pretty well. Did a really good job on this headlight. So we'll get back to you when we're putting it all back together. Okay, so it's much later. I've got the headlight all cleaned up. I'll show it to you in just a minute, but right now we're gonna get this thing put back together. We're gonna take this plug, put it back into the headlight where it goes, and then we'll get all this buttoned back up. Here we go. Alright, so it's the next day. This is what one looks like. That's the one we just did. Feeling pretty good.